So I'm here live. You can throw your questions to me. So I'm here to answer.
So Disha, wanted to ask whether you're open to work with Imran Hashmi, Mahesh Bhatt, Karan Johar, Ekta Kapoor, and all those big names in the industry.
Who's the guy?
Priyanka Matondkar.
Hi Priyanka. I'm also playing Priyanka. Yeah, I'm not so specific about whom I want to work with. As long as it's a good script and I like the story, I like my part, I'll do it.
So next question is by Karan. Disha, you're my favorite actress. I like you in your Cadbury ad. How was your experience in the movie?
It was amazing, very special. My first film, so of course, I'm very excited for the film.
Naresh Batra says he loves your dance.
Thank you so much. Thank you, Naresh.
Disha, tell us something about the movie. How was the whole experience? How were your co-actors?
The whole experience was amazing. It's a different sort of story, different kind of genre. It's a biopic, and everybody has been very nice and sweet to me. I never realized or never felt like it's my first film, and every moment for me is very special. So I enjoyed the whole journey, and I hope you like it too.
So Ishan Patel asks, which scene was the toughest for you to act in your new upcoming movie, MS Dhoni?
I don't remember. I think I guess the song, because if you have seen Kaun Tujhe, it was the first time when I actually met Sushant, and then it's so awkward, of course, for both of us to like meeting first time. Hi, I'm Dasha, I'm Sushant, and we have to shoot a romantic song. You have to look into each other's eyes. So I think that was awkward for the first few minutes, but then it was
Kaushal
okay.
Sanjeeva asked which is your favorite song from MS Dhoni?
Hi Kaushal, my favorite song would be, I like Jab Tak, I like Phir Kabhi. Yeah.
And someone asked that how excited are you 4 days to go?
I'm so excited, and I'm very blank right now. I actually don't know, like I know I have to be nervous, I should be, I don't know, but just 1 second. Yeah, so yeah, I'm very excited.
Rajesh Boga says, can we expect second movie in Tollywood industry?
Yeah, of course, if I get a good story, I get a good script, I get a good part, I'll do it.
Sahil Rajgupta says, just say my name.
Hi Sahil Rajgupta.
Milkeet Vadra says, who is your favorite actor?
Hi Milky Batra. My favorite actor would be I like Shah Rukh Khan, and amongst females I like Priyanka Chopra.
Darshan says, which Khan would you love to act with for your
All of
upcoming
them.
movies?
All of them. I don't have any.
Pallav Shah says he's excited to watch your movie.
Thank you so much, Pallav. I hope you like it.
Okay, so now Darshit Kakera says, one superpower which you would want to have and one superhero who you really like.
Superpower would be flying, and superhero would be Hulk. If he's a superhero, I think he is.
Of course he is.
Sandeep Kumar says, I love you more than Dairy Milk.
Thank you, Sandeep. That's a compliment.
Ishan Karya says, did you always want to pursue your dream for coming in the movie industry, or you wanted to be something else?
Amy Rock says, your face looks like Shraddha Kapoor.
Thank you so much. She's so pretty. Who was? Sorry.
This is Ishan Karya.
Yeah, Ishan. So no, I wanted to be an Air Force pilot, and I think just destiny got me here, and I think I got the opportunity. I grabbed it. I didn't think so much.
Umesh Hussain says, do you like Pakistani singers?
I love Atif Aslam is my favorite.
Yeah. Someone also asked some question. Like, are you working in Hollywood?
I'm doing an international film with Jackie Chan. So yeah, if you say Hollywood.
Okay. Yeah. Kuldeep Solanki said, Disha, have you ever visited Gujarat?
Hi Kuldeep. Yeah, I've been there once. Ahmedabad. It's beautiful.
So since Dhoni is like a biopic, so Shiva Karthik asked, what was your experience in playing a real life character in a movie and something which is not a fiction? Was it difficult to play someone who existed in the real?
Is it on? Yeah, so I wouldn't say it was very difficult. I had Neeraj sir with me and he really guided me throughout the whole filming journey, and yeah, we got the part really well and we knew how she was, and yeah, I added my pinch to it. They're reading.
Disha, how was Rajasthan? How were all the locations to shoot wherever you have shot?
Acha, the locations for what?
The shoot of the movie. No, for
Dhoni.
Dhoni.
I went to Delhi, I went to Bengal, Kolkata, and Mumbai. So yeah, it was amazing. I think they actually traveled a lot for the whole film because they were actually in the real places where Dhoni was. So yeah, I think it was too much stress for them, but at the same time they enjoyed.
Gaurav Sachin says, who's your favorite, Sachin or Dhoni?
Both.
Oh.
I used to like Sachin, now I like Dhoni.
Prince Raj Roy says, how did you manage to do those fast footsteps in Befikre?
Hi Prince, practice. I think I practice more than Tiger, so yeah.
Anish Kukreja says, what is your important thing in life?
Anish,
Yeah.
important thing in life, happiness.
Oh,
Anything that makes you happy.
Manmay Mehta says, I love your smile and your dance too. Want to see you in a dance movie like ABCD. When will that happen?
Hi Manmay, even I'm waiting for that. I hope somebody takes me for that. Thank you so much for liking my dance.
Subhan Udupi says his name.
Hi Subhan Udupi.
Yeah. Arun Bihar says, you are looking so cute.
Thank you Arun. I can't see you, but I'm sure you're looking cute too.
Saurabh Jaiswal says, can you blink your eye again?
Blink like this.
Buku says, what made you so beautiful?
My mother and father genetics, I think. Just going through the questions. Nice.
Bansika Mishra says, love you Disha, you're my favorite actress.
Thank you Bansika, I love you too.
Gaurav Agarwal says, who is your favorite actress in Bollywood?
Actress?
Yeah.
Priyanka Chopra, Gaurav.
You're quite inspired by her.
Yeah, lot.
Ritesh Goyal says, please say my name.
Ritesh Goyal. Hi Ritesh Goyal.
Shubham Rai says, love your smile.
Thank you so much, Shubham. Big team.
How was your experience working with Neeraj Pandey?
So good. He looks scary. Like you would feel scared because he's a very strong personality and he's very very smart. But he's very kind and he's very smart. He knows what exactly he wants and he'll make you work hard. So he's amazing. I love him.
Wasim asks, which is your favorite song from the movie?
I like Jab Tak. That's my favorite. And Conquest, of course.
Rajshri Prabhu says your first movie. Rajshri Prabhu says, which is your first movie?
Which is my first film.
Yeah.
Hi Rajshri. My first film was a Telugu film called Loafer. This is my first debut in Bollywood.
Vishesh Goswami says, I love your silky hairs.
Thank you for my silky hair.
Who sings song? Aman Gonka says, please, Papan, Yuvraj, how challenging? Yuvraj says, how challenging was playing the role of Priyanka Jha?
Wasn't so challenging. As I said, my director was very smart. He knew what he wanted from me, and he got that thing out. I can dance though, but I can't sing. I'm really bad. You don't want to see me singing. You guys can actually send me videos where you guys are singing. I would love that.
So guys, please do send her of your singing of your Kaun Tujhe or any other song from Dhoni
That you like from Dhoni.
and please tag her on her Instagram account, and she would love to go through all the videos and songs you send her.
Aniket says you look gorgeous.
Thank you, Aniket.
Yash Agarwal says hi, how was your bike ride with Sushant?
I wasn't in the bike. Kiara was in the bike.
Bhavik Malik says, Disha, where do you belong from?
I'm from Uttarakhand, but my family lives in Bareilly. And I'm living in Mumbai now.
Noman Qureshi says, what's your favorite dance style, Disha?
Hip hop. Naman. I'm sorry if I said your name wrong.
Ritesh Ghosh says, who's your favorite Hollywood actor?
Actor, Hollywood, Will Smith. I like Angelina. Yeah.
Sujay Chaurasi says, come to IIT for more Indigo. Something.
Oh, okay, cool.
Boy, again. Rohit Sharma says, hi, you look gorgeous.
Hi, Rohit. Thank you.
Gunjan Jyoti says, please come to North India.
Yeah, I am actually from North India.
Northeast
so...
India.
Oh, Northeast. I would love to come. It's beautiful.
Disha, all your fans just want you to keep smiling because they're loving it when you're smiling. So yes, keep the grin on.
Grin on.
So Pratik Das says, you're so pretty, I started buying Cadbury again because of you.
Oh, that's so sweet. Thank you so much. I hope you like the taste of chocolate though.
Who doesn't like chocolate?
Vijay says you look like Madhuri.
Oh my god, that's the biggest compliment for me.
Fani
I'm
Kiran.
sinking.
Fani
Thank you.
Kiran says, which is your dream role?
Superwoman, Wonder Woman, whatever, like any superhero.
Nikki Solanki says, Loafer was an awesome movie. It was shot in my city, Jodhpur. How do you think was Jodhpur?
Hi Nikki, it's beautiful. I did so much shopping there and I love the sweets. I just love it. It's amazing, the city.
Drishti Malik asks, do you like chocolates?
Hi Drishti, I love chocolates. I live on chocolates.
Aniruddha Mandal says, do you play video games?
Yeah, I love, especially Dragon Ball Z games, I love. Or Tekken. Any fight game I like.
Aki CA says, please do a movie with Varun Dhawan. This couple will look awesome.
Oh, thank you. I hope someone pair us together.
Tahiru says, which is your favorite sports person?
Dhoni?
Zan Sheikh says he has 1,000 wallpaper in his phone.
Really? Do I have 1,000 pictures?
Radhika Kela says, which is your favorite color?
I like all the colors. I can never decide. I'm very confused. Like a very confused person in real life. I like all the colors.
Rahul Chauhan says, how would you like to come in Bollywood industry?
How would you?
Or I think he meant, how did you come to Bollywood industry?
How did you?
Yeah. How did you start acting?
I just started with modeling and I think eventually it happened, acting.
Vaibhav Jain asks, which chocolates you like?
Okay, I love M&M, Crunchy or whatever. I like Kinder Bueno. I like, all kinds of chocolates.
Nagraj Vijay asks, which language do you speak?
Hindi. That's my original language.
Are you into sports?
Yeah, I was a state level basketball player and I like playing badminton, swimming, everything. I can't play cricket though. I'm
Are
bad.
you a gym freak?
I have to go sometimes to maintain whatever my health.
So Rishit Patel asks, who's your favorite actor?
Hi Rishit, my favorite actor, I like all of them, but I love Priyanka Chopra.
Aryan Kadimala asks, what's your height?
5'9".
Vikram Thakur says, I remove my girlfriend pictures after seeing you and put your pictures on my wallpaper.
That's not nice.
Do you like cats or dogs?
Dogs.
Says Abhishek Rai.
Hi Abhishek, dogs. Dog person.
Nagresh Rudra asks, what's your nickname?
Dish. Patty. Pats.
Mohammed Foraji asks, can you be my sister?
Hi Mohammed. Okay, I don't mind.
Vaibhav Jain asks, are you using Snapchat and may I have your ID?
No, I'm really bad with all these social sites. I'm just on Insta and Facebook.
Hemang Ridrani asks, who's funnier, Sushant or Dhoni?
I've never met Dhoni, so I think Sushant for me.
Sufyan Khan asks, which city are you living in currently?
Mumbai.
Hanita asks, where do you think you'll be 25 years from now?
25, I don't know. I don't plan things. I never plan I want to be an actress. I'm here, so I don't know where.
Sujay Paris asks, what's your favorite flower?
Hi Sujay, I like all of them. But I just don't like bouquet because it's like killing them. So I like them on the pot or maybe somewhere.
VS Sharma asks, do you like pets?
Yeah, I love pets. I love animals.
Sachi Sharma asks, if you have to choose between Sushant or Shahrukh, who would you choose? That's tricky.
I'll choose both of them. I think they both are amazing. So, or either I'll just do a women-oriented film.
Yash asks, what's your favorite city?
I like all the cities. I think Kerala I really like. It's very peaceful and very quiet, so I like it.
Sanjay asks, who is better, Tiger or Sushant?
Sanjay!
Aman Goenka asks, who's your best friend?
Sakshi, she lives in Delhi right now, currently working, so she's my best friend.
Prabhat asks, who's your favorite singer?
My favorite singer, Arijit. Arijit and Atif Aslam.
Nitesh asks, which is your favorite Bollywood movie?
My favorite Bollywood film, Barfi.
Prince says you have got a cute smile.
Thank you, Prince.
Jay asks, which is your favorite song? Generally.
Generally, so I like so many.
Asks, how many languages do you know and are you Sindhi?
No, I'm not Sindhi. I'm a Rajput. English, Hindi, that's it.
Ritam Kabra asks, who's your boyfriend?
Single. I wish.
Niket Chaudhary says, please spell my name.
Ritesh Chaudhary.
Niket Chaudhary.
Niket Chaudhary. Hi, Niket Chaudhary.
What's your favorite food, Disha? Asks Keshav.
I love sweets. Food would be anything. I love Indian food, pizza, pasta, everything. Anything, yeah, everything.
Nikhil asks, do you like wearing a sari?
Yeah, I would love to, but it's just very difficult to carry actually a sari, so I'm still trying.
And who is your favorite dancer?
Madhuri Dixit.
How was your experience working with Jackie Chan?
So amazing. I learned so much and many tricks from him, like fighting tricks.
Rajat says you are so beautiful.
Thank you, Rajat.
Harshit asks, which country do you want to see next?
I don't know. Oh, which country I want to travel? I want to go Spain. I want to go, Europe.
Did you get an opportunity to meet MS Dhoni?
No, not yet.
What would be your reaction if you meet him?
I'll be very excited, and I don't know actually. Let's see. When I meet him, then I can tell you.
Who is your inspiration?
Who's this person?
Imad.
Imad. My inspiration is my sister, my elder sister.
One actor you would love to work with? Manish.
Shah Rukh Khan, Maneet.
Ajay Ji says, have you once skydived?
No, I want to. That's like my thing. I'm gonna do it soon.
So how you prepare for the role of a Priyanka Jha?
My director instructed me. He gave me a few notes on that, and then I also did my own research, and yeah, we made the character.
How excited are you for the MS Dhoni is going to release on 30th?
I'm so excited. Actually, very blank right now. I'm just not thinking about anything. So I'm just waiting for how if you're gonna like it and how people gonna react.
Like what type of role are you choosing in now after they doing 2 movies?
I think it doesn't matter to me. I want to do different kinds of roles, and I think the story matters a lot to me.
Are you preferring women-oriented films?
Well, I don't know the difference between women and men because we never say man-oriented films. So why should we differentiate man from women? So yeah, any film which excites me, it doesn't matter. I don't differentiate man and woman.
So you do yoga or martial art?
I do gymnastics and I dance, yeah, in gym sometimes.
मिर आस कोई पाकिस्तानी एक्टर का नाम बताओ जो आपको पसंद हो.
Fawad Khan.
Arpit asks, what is wackiest, craziest thing that you have ever done?
I'm so boring. Trust me, I'm so boring. I don't even know if I've done something like that.
Prateek asks, do you meditate?
No. I'm very restless. I can't be at one place for long. I don't meditate.
Whom do you like more, Kohli or Dhoni? Jashwant.
Hi Jashwant. I like both of them. Kohli in the new generation and Dhoni is Dhoni.
What's your next movie, Disha? Anis asks.
I haven't signed anything right now. So when I sign it, I'm gonna be like more open about it.
So Prince asks, which type of movies would you want to do?
Hi Prince. Any kind, doesn't matter. Just something that excites me. The same thing.
Your first movie in Bollywood, Dhoni the Untold Story, is going to be released on the widest number of screen in the whole world. Like in India, it's now biggest release.
Yeah.
How do you feel about that?
So happy. Like I think I'm more than lucky. First film and going on such a grand scale. I think I'm very fortunate.
Like it's releasing on 4,600 screens.
Yeah, I read about that. It's amazing.
And except Punjabi and this one language, it is releasing in all the languages.
Yeah, it's releasing in all. I think he's such a huge, like icon. I think we should, it's something that he deserves, I guess, somewhere.
So what do you love about Dhoni?
He's very down to earth and he's very positive in life.
Okay, how do you feel about when India won the World Cup under his captaincy?
Amazing. He's so cool. I think that's why I got the name Captain Cool because such easy. Is it on? Okay. He's the India man. I just finished one film called I forgot my film with Jackie Chan, Kung Fu Yoga. So that's an action comedy. So yeah, I've done one comedy film.
Who is a better dancer in Bollywood, Hrithik or Tiger?
I think Tiger. He's more flexible.
Hanita Hinds from Myanmar says, do you visited Myanmar?
No, not yet, but I would love to.
Noman asks, are you a foodie?
Yeah, big time. I love food. I think about food all the time.
Nikhil asks, how do you maintain your gorgeous hair?
My hair is actually very damaged because every day I have to go through various kinds of blow dry and tong and everything. I think oil your hair in the night. Yeah, and just drink a lot of water. It helps.
Farbat Hathi says, you're mama's girl or papa's girl?
Papa's girl.
Kan asks, what is your favorite sweet dish?
I like chocolate, so anything in chocolate is good.
Intiqab Ahmed Ansari Diwan says, just say hi to me, please.
Hi.
Intiqab Ahmed.
Hi, Intiqab. Nice name though.
Raisa asks, what is the craziest prank that has been played on you?
Nobody plays any prank on me. I have a very boring life and no exciting people around me also.
Lokesh asks, what's your fondest childhood memory?
My sister used to fly kites. So I used to help her in that though. I think that's the memory I remember. And we used to do skating and everything, so.
Prateek More says, please spell my name once they show.
Hi Prateek.
Would you like to work with Salman Khan?
I would love to. I think he's amazing.
Yes, Jashwal says, what is your nickname?
Dishu.
Your favorite Pakistan actor, cricketer?
Afridi?
Saurabh Bhutra says, please say hi by taking my name.
Hi Saurabh.
Someone says you are Miss Indore.
Huh?
Miss Indore.
Yeah, I was.
Did you watch cricket before doing biopic of Dhoni?
I used to watch with my family when I was very, very young, and then when I went to my college, I didn't get a chance. I didn't have a TV in my room, so I'm like just off TV for forever.
Shahid Azam, please say my name.
Hi Shahid.
Prabhraj asks, who's your favorite, Bruce Lee or Jackie Chan?
Hi Prabhraj. I have worked with Jackie, so I would say Jackie because he's amazing.
Kuldeep Solanki says, please share your classroom habits, like.
Classroom habits?
Yeah.
Like school classroom
Yeah,
habits?
yeah.
I used to bunk my classes a lot, so I think that's my habit.
Mujju asks, how was your experience working with Sushant?
So nice. He's very, 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 very friendly, very hardworking, and yeah, he's very funny also.
Do you speak Hindi?
Of course. You'll see me speaking Hindi in my film.
Shivam Chaudhary says, you like Messi or Ronaldo?
Ronaldo.
Shiv asks, how do you look so fresh always?
Water, I have to look fresh, I think. That's my job, to look fresh.
Hemang asks, can you say hi to my wife Zil?
Hi Zil.
Who's your favorite, Arijit Singh or Arman Malik?
For me, I like both. I can't choose. They have their own style.
Niket Chaudhary, which phone you use?
Hi Niket. Noah.
Abhishek,
Volleyball, but I'm not that great. Table tennis, badminton.
David asks, what will your dream boy be like?
Goku.
Aman Singh says, best of luck for your future.
Thank you so much, Aman.
Anita asks, what's your favorite dialogue?
Hi Anita. इन कुत्तों के सामने मत नाच, I think.
Faisal Hanif says, when you will come to Pakistan?
I would love to come if I get a chance. I hope soon.
Bhargav asks, what was the best part that you did during your shooting of MS Dhoni?
Best scene?
Yeah.
I think you would see. I can't repeat right now, but there's one scene that me and Sushant are sitting in some rock kind of a thing in the night. So once you see it, you'll know it.
Do you like poetry by Zain Sheikh?
No, I don't read poetry. I'm not so much into poetry.
Kaushal Sanjeeva says, which is your favorite food?
All kinds, but more than food, I like sweets, chocolate.
Do you like shopping?
Not so much. Sometimes, maybe.
Piyush asks, are you from Indore?
No. I'm not from Indore.
Just say hi to all your fans. They want you to say hi.
I do all. Thank you so much for like being there for me.
What sport do you like? Rashmi asks.
Basketball.
Intiqam Ahmed says, are you still working in modeling shows?
No, actually, I didn't even do many modeling shows. I'm not so much into ramp walk. I was more into commercials.
Bhush Katu said, do you watch cartoons?
I love all the cartoons, especially the older ones in Cartoon Network, Dexter and Ed and Ellie and those ones.
Noman asked, do you play Candy Crush like other celebrities?
No, I don't play Candy Crush. I could never understand the game. I'm not that smart for that game.
What do you miss about Uttarakhand? Shiv Vikram Singh said.
There's a sweet, I don't know the name of the sweet. It's like a chocolate kind of a sweet with some white thing on it. So I miss that. And curry. I love curry. But the North Indian one.
Avilash asked, which cartoon character do you like most?
Goku from Dragon Ball Z.
When is your birthday? Outpitch Vijay.
13th June.
Siddharth Sahu said, did you ever play Gilli Danda?
Yeah, I think maybe when I was young, but I don't remember. I'm sure I used to play all the games.
Harshil Panchal, do you love to swim?
Yeah, I love swimming. I'm a fish.
Aryan Arman Rase, which hero you like for romance? Shah Rukh, Amir or Salman?
I think romance, Shah Rukh.
Have you signed any
Not yet. Last question, okay?
Goku or Vegeta?
Vegeta.
Vegeta.
Goku, anytime. I like Vegeta also, he's a bad boy, but